Hello everyone and welcome back to another weekly Bitcoin portfolio update video. I did add more. I was finally able to add more to that side position for Bitcoin with BITU. So I finally have $10,000 invested into that at a in my opinion what's a decent price for it, and I'll share that with you guys in a little bit. But just to get started real quick, if you guys are new, welcome. The purpose of this playlist I'm creating is to keep track of my core Bitcoin portfolio on a weekly basis with the goal of being able to document it, save it, so I can look at this far into the future, as well as a way for me to express my opinions on Bitcoin um, on, currently on today's September 12th, and what is going on and what's affecting Bitcoin. Again, it's just a way for me to document, share with you guys my opinions on it and what my thoughts are. And of course, none of this is financial advice. It's just a way for me to, again, express my opinions and, how I am actively taking a position in Bitcoin, right? So, since last update, when it comes to Bitcoin itself, I have not changed anything. Have not added or taken anything out. As you can see, we still have that 1.139 Bitcoin. We're sitting at 66,000 and a half in value, with Bitcoin at $58,000. So we're finally breaking up higher from these recent lows that we've seen right here. If you guys do follow my chart planning videos, you'll know that I'm looking to aggressively accumulate in current levels because the price did dip into a specific support area. I'm gonna share that with you guys in a little bit, just for some context. But yeah, one thing I do like as well is that the Bitcoin's web platform has I don't know if they got an update or something. I don't know. But I remember, if you guys look at my last videos, I would always have to show you my phone, a screenshot of my phone, because the unrealized returns for the current position was not accurate. It was saying that I'm up however much when I'm actually down, not up. But now I don't have to do that anymore. Everything is actually accurate, which I like. So I invested $80,000 into Bitcoin at an average price of $70,000, and we're currently down $13,000, which is, I'm not sure percentage wise what that is. It's uh, probably a little bit, but yeah. So we're sitting at 66,500. We're down, but I am taking advantage of this dip by adding to BITU. That's how I intend to take advantage of these dips. So on September 10th, finally, if you guys look at my last videos, I've been waiting on my brokerage to clear some funds that I deposited into it to be able to buy more BITU. So I'm going to put a picture of that transaction up here. September 10th, I was able to buy 332 shares at $21.10, which is fortunate and unfortunate at the same time, because I really wanted to, when last update video, and then, as well as last Friday, Mara was like at $19 and $18, and I really, really wanted to buy at that price, but, it just didn't, the funds weren't cleared, it didn't let me buy, and I had to wait. So I got it a little bit of a higher price, but it's still good in my opinion. I'm gonna take a screenshot right now. I'm gonna share this for you guys. So currently, with the position I bought on September 10th, with the existing position I already had of $3,000, which was 150 shares. Now I have a total of 482 shares, at an average price of $20.96, which means, as of this moment, we're up just over $600, which is 6.25%. So I like that position. I'm very happy, even though I bought at a higher price than I originally wanted to. I'm still very happy with it, because I'm gonna jump into TradingView real quick. My internet's being very slow right now. And I need to fix that because I want to start live streaming soon for you guys. And I'm gonna have to improve my internet. I mean, it was working fine, just not on this. I don't know what's going on. But let me make sure I still have battery. Okay, on my microphone. Okay, so this is that purple area I was talking about. I kept, I kind of stressed how important this area is for me personally, and why we dipped into this area. I believe last chart, no, not chart planning, last portfolio update video. We were in this purple area, and I kept telling everyone like it's a really good time to buy, in my opinion. Unfortunately, I can't add more because the funds are still trying to settle. So I bought a little bit higher. I'm not going to get too much into detail with this chart just because um, I want to leave that for a chart planning video. That's content for that playlist. But it's very bullish in my opinion. There's still some good momentum right here, some good upside. Especially the RSI is still pretty much just flat. And we're breaking much higher. What does a 4 hour look like? The 4 hour is looking a little bit not as bullish, just because we're still trying to see if we can break above this previous wick. But regardless, if you are one of the people that are looking to hold on to Bitcoin for like the rest of the entire year, you're not trying to like sell this quickly within a day or two. It's a really, really good time to buy, in my opinion. Bitcoin is just it's making good headlines. That scarcity effect thing is kicking in. A lot more large companies are starting to take this more seriously. This asset and what its potential is when it comes to creating more value in their portfolios, and of course there's more transactions being made, even though the hash rates, I believe, there's less Bitcoin mining going on, but that's starting to recover. As I believe there was an article that came out recently. You guys can look that up yourself. I'm not gonna dig through it, but an article that was saying that there's more money flowing into Bitcoin mining equipment, and it's starting to pick up, and that should also help recover mining revenue, which will also help the price of Bitcoin go up. But besides that, just looking at understanding that Bitcoin is in a bull market still. There's still a lot more to go. A lot more institutions are going to be pushing this even higher. We have interest rate cuts happening in the next like 6 or 7 days. Um, I'm going to give you guys my opinion on that in more detail as we approach it. But I don't know. I might do some kind of I don't know. I'll get into that later on. But yeah, we have interest rate cuts happening next week. That's very exciting. And we have again, just we're trying to get away a little bit further away from this halving event. I believe it's like 4 to 8 months, according to, if you guys know Plan B Bitcoin. He says it takes like 4 to 8 months for Bitcoin revenue to recover, and then once that recovers, that's when we see the price also get pushed up higher more aggressively. Although, you guys can check out his content if you want. It's real good, really informative, real smart dude. And I am also in belief that we will see $100,000 Bitcoins by the end of 2024. It does not mean we're going to close at 100,000, but I mean sometime by New Year's, the price should at least hit $100,000 at some point, and then 2025 even higher prices. But yeah, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Just my own little quick personal. I'm not trying to get into too much detail. I'm not trying to make this video too lengthy. The whole purpose is, of course, just to document. Geez, it's still loading. What's wrong with this? Oh, there we go. Just to document this a little bit. So yeah. See right here, it says all time for the. Well, I guess it's all time for the portfolio throughout this year. I guess. Either way. Yeah, guys. Bitcoin is looking real good. I really like it. I feel very fortunate and very thankful that I was able to pick up more BITU at current prices, because technically, even though I picked it up over $20, which ideally under 20 would have been better, of course, but the current BITU price is representing a very discounted Bitcoin price. So if Bitcoin goes up 10-20%, BITU is going to go up 20-40%, right? And it has so much more upside to go. If you're like me, where you believe Bitcoin still has a lot more room to go for this bull cycle, um, that's just my opinion. But yeah, BITU, regardless, I believe any price underneath $30 is a steal. Any price from 30 to 40 is just good price, and anything over 40, that's where it's better to just hold and let it appreciate from there throughout the rest of the bull cycle. Um, so yeah, guys, we have 10,000 in BITU now. Finally, cool 10, which is at times 2 leverage with that leverage ETF. So it's acting as 20, but it's just 10,000 invested into it. And then we still have the 80,000 in Bitcoin. At a really, really good price. Excuse me, I believe even 70,000 for Bitcoin is still a really good price. Excuse me. So yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys soon on the next video. I'm not sure if I'm going to update another video today, but for sure tomorrow I'm going to try to do a chart planning video, maybe for Mara. Yeah, most likely. So I'll catch you guys then. Take care.